That I have to be joke because you're my friend and I don't
Which
know
friend?
what you're talking
Which
about.
friend? Yeah, this other business, that is Muslim business like you're mad man. You're junkie. You're junkie? I'm money we want.
Money we want.
Oh, so come.
My friend.
What's
You don't like this, my friend.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Yeah. Yes, Lord. Your name. Yeah. I have some friends, they don't believe in Jesus. They say they don't trust the color of his skin. I say the skin don't determine the anointing. Oh, it's the blood that flows from Calvary. Oh, it's the blood. It's the blood that flows from Calvary. Oh, there is power in the blood. There is power in the blood. The blood that flows from Calvary. Some of my friends, they don't believe in Jesus, but I know him to be my closest friend. Even though
I top gambling.
Yeah.
So,
Morning, noon, and after night.
stop touching man.
When I stop touching you,
I say last night, I can't miss me lose so much money to bumble nights.
if you stop gamble.
I mean, say stop gambling. I buy 35 last night, see? And I don't know, say, that
But
I
I
always
don't know,
split.
so you're afraid me suffer.
I'm not frightened, I show you a vibe, so make me don't want to move now. So where you go?
You know you can't link do more you do the crime for me.
What do you mean crime for you? What kind of crime?
You don't know, say, what do you link somebody and see me? Then they give me something and thing. Then come and grow my thing, right? You see me? So you my calling to see if I can go and match up a crime for me so you can get a thing out of it.
I know, I'm telling you this. Me, I have to buy craving, I have to buy my own weed, I have to buy rum, I have to buy chaser. So you see, when you tell me now, say, if you link you on certain part, you can't walk out.
What do you mean you can't walk out?
If me, I protect you on the street, see, you don't know, say me have to get a thing of food and money. You want, last time you give me like one thing and rate it and yeah, go and go in the bush, but that was it. Some you
No,
check me
you
out,
can't get it back.
Eh?
You can't get it back.
You can't get it back? And money me want right now, boom. And that me I say.
So no money, mission you just send your pan.
Like, alright, so talk. What kind of machine you talk?
I see all my worst thing you need. You know, our man who me used to deal with. And the man to give me some money. To give me one type, I think a 1 mil or something like so. It's supposed to give me. In that, now give me no call, not all. Someone you could pay him for.
So how much you doing?
I don't know yet, but let me get it.
Hey, me no can business. You can too much you.
Oh,
When last day here? You have to go on day here,
no, watch that. I don't know watch my head right now.
So much you plan to give me that money?
When me get the money, we can split it together.
You can split it?
Yeah, we are going to split it.
You are really not father, you know. Where's that? Give me thing now. You can get
No
part
one?
out now. No, come right.
Alright, come on. Alright, yeah.
I don't like your religion. So mommy, hear ya. So mommy don't like my religion.
The God for your claim say you worship. What kind of God?
Allah.
Who is Allah?
Allah is my
It's a big statue something so where you look like the devil.
Hear ya. So be
Man, the devil you worship.
No, more access. So how you know say my religion I worship devil? Mine a devil who no worship on the 7-day business on the Adventist on the whatever I want name. Watch out, man. Allow me make me worship who I want worship. On my life. You see
You
me?
don't respect mommy no more.
No, no say me no respect mommy, but from the day mommy tell me say he not too like religion when me take up. It's like me cross her off on my list because well, me no see that the church where she a kill up herself for go. I do nothing for her. Oh, I will if I benefit the in a he God when me serve my friend.
Where can I benefit?
Whole heap. No worry about my benefits them, but whole heap. Remember you know?
I worship Allah.
Allah.
One statue. I get benefits from that.
Must say sometimes I don't like talk to you though because
I'm just asking.
no, I don't like
I'm
talk to you.
asking.
You're not no,
I
not
am
ask me no
asking a
really ask
question.
me a foolish question.
You see how you want my voice me? And you make everybody know what you're saying?
Why you want make me raise my voice because you ask me foolishness?
Because you worship foolishness.
So you know say foolishness if you never tried before.
Me?
Yes.
Try?
Yeah.
No, that will never happen.
So how you want to come and tell me now say it's like yeah, in a real life. Why you don't want to come and tell me now say mommy begs with me because or mommy a pray me because of that alone me could take out of my brain box, you know. Say a payments are going right now, whole I want to a payment and chat me, but me not
We
care.
used to live in one house.
But that not say we not
Well,
live
one
here.
church.
But we not live here.
Yeah,
no
hear
more. We
what
not
me
live
say?
there no more.
I go this there.
Alright, talk.
We used to live in one house.
Mm-hmm.
Well, one church. But as soon as you get big, you just change. Why?
Because we just not feel the energy of that the church there. And
Also, I feel the energy of your church.
Yes, and I may own it, so me no business
You
when
own
no.
it.
Yes, I may own that there. I may own my mass. Yes, you can build a mass. Yes, it's a mass. It's not a church.
That's
it's
a mass.
A mass. Don't tell me what it is.
And your own church.
Don't tell me what it is. Anything.
What just come here so to tell her what mommy say. Oh, mommy no really want to see your face either.
I'm in a business where your mother want to say I'm in a
Me
happy
mother?
one. Yes, I hear your mother and I'm my mother.
So now your mother?
Yes, I'm my mother too, but me not care. Me no business where she want to say. I hear your mother alone now, cause watching a man right now my ex me put on her name, you know, in my documentary or whatever I want name or my brain cell or something with a
one thing I'm gonna left with you now. You see, all if me have a pitney like you. You know what me would do? That you would talk over do. I'm a Christian, I'm out of here. Brother.
Me glad.
You should have glad say I'm a big brother.
Yeah, you should have glad say I'm a little sister because I would have to count you up long time send you home. Or send you anywhere you want to go. Because I don't understand this year. You not no respect. You not no respect. Go on your ways. You know, I'm if you go on ways,
so
I'm
them just choose it.
No worry about you, I want my brother them buy me from over there.
How my brother gone to? Father God help me.
Yeah, I'm a little mission from the world of get here.
So what you have to do now?
Right now, I'm going to pray right now too, you know.
Pray right now? Where you pray to?
You know my religion, man. No, you know you're Christian, you know.
Listen. Jesus if you pray to.
No, man. Allah me pray to.
No, Allah business Allah. With you know.
Alright, what's your man? No. You know, say a long time here, say Christian no like Muslim do. The truth or what? You hear me say, me never tell you, say you have to come pray to my God. And you want to make me pray to your God. You know like them style, eh?
But I right thing.
No, not to you.
You are doing.
Why are you wrong to me?
Yeah, pray to Allah that and
so yeah, so
difference in the pray to. I know God.
Oh, yeah, a one God.
Yes,
yeah, who
one
you pray to a one God, but you want to pray to the white man. No, a white man you want to pray to
you
my
friend.
friend.
You don't pray to no white man.
Yes, a white man.
You pray to a man up above. What you talk about?
Can't manage you right now, no, because you come like a corrupt me from my religion.
You know, corrupt my religion.
stop. You realize I'm married to you and me I go to your church and everything.
Yeah, but me not come up to your church. I'm sorry. Sorry.
You know, so I feel like I'm going to stop by your church.
You can stop if you want to know, cause
What? Oh, okay, you're married. Oh,
you know
okay,
myself.
you're married.
You know, probably I love at first sight, but no, right now, tell you the truth. Right now, for your religion and my religion, me look and you cuss me for my religion. I'm not like that, you know, I never cuss you for yours, you know, what you believe in. You know.
Because when you're afraid to is a false God.
So you know, say my God a false God. So how you sure say your God not false?
Because everybody is spiritual.
Everybody is like you.
Everybody
Everybody is like you, not me. Not me.
The Bible didn't tell you nothing about Allah.
No, a man write Bible.
I don't know man right
And
Bible.
Who?
Listen to me.
I will write
I'm
Bible.
in a drama with them today. Every day me hear first about Bible and church and this and that. I'm not with them.
Allah, look down on this girl and bless her.
Look down upon you.
Look down on this girl
What
and bless her.
come?
What come on?
God look down upon me and God look down upon you and bless you.
Bless me.
Pray that Jesus
Bless me.
you. Allah. No come on Allah over my life.
Chano, no time for this right now, no. Right now, we need to change my mind from go on road, but right now I want to go back on road.
Go on in the
Right now,
airplane.
we don't care, we don't
Come
care.
on,
We can't
come on.
manage your energy.
Alright, done. But by the way, how much money I collect in my house because right now my hair and my nails and doing and be a pastor wife, me I feel always look good.
Which offering you are talking?
The offering me I collect at your church.
My church, we don't own a church, I must not own.
Whatever I want be, anything you want be, where money be.
You know, say in real life, though, I look a piece of food you can reach me certain way, but you don't reach me certain
No,
way.
no,
I
no.
look at money and I collect out of my little charity business. Right now, I don't feel like that not enough for me and you still look, for local business to take care of. Right now, what you want, right now, what you want to take care of, mine, I think that my friend can what? Yo, we can't manage
What you
this
mean
time.
that the little thing that can't, we
No,
can't get no
yeah,
more?
man,
No,
yeah,
you're part
yeah,
of that right now. Me
here
not
and
understand what
you
you're
have to
talking.
understand when you're talking.
What you mean by, okay, shop lock.
Shop lock.
Shop lock.
Shop
Since
lock.
you can't get no money, you can't get nothing in this.
I know me not understand what you're talking about. You're not Christian. What you're talking about shop lock? You have to faithful to your husband, you know.
Faithful for
Yeah,
me
yeah.
husband.
Me and my husband.
Faithful
So
for
you're
me
there.
husband.
So you're trying to tell
Once
me
the money
say,
lock is shop
no,
lock.
listen me now. What you're trying to tell me say, me just because I'm not going to make you your ears and your nails and your...
Yes.
So I'm the rest of the time then I make that happen.
That I did.
But watch out, listen up. Remember say, you know, for me thing just a develop certain way, you know, and me have to build my thing, you know. Cause what? Me have tourists that come in just to come and mask. Cause a far and wide me I think about. It's like near, far and wide.
Me not understand how you reach the side of money we are talking about, you know.
Then me I try to tell you what me have to go do with all of the money that
well,
me
money
have
we
make.
did I go up on the road with. Give me, let me go on the road. If I don't hear, I'll see.
You know, so I don't like your style sometimes for you.
I don't care.
I seriously don't like your style. I don't like your style.
Just give me.
So me ask you something. So are just money alone in your mind or dip on your mind?
I don't money alone the problem mine, but me I just be faithful. Listen, let me ask you a question. Me not wash for you. Me not cook for you. Me not clean for you. Me not
Me ask you one question now. Me ask you one question now. When last you wash me? When last you cook for me? When
all the time. But
Like-
when we get so wicked,
wicked.
who wash this out your abang?
You know,
Who
say
wash
my
this
mother,
out?
and my mother me can't go do because I'm busy. And I try to tell her say me busy. You always tell me say you busy too because you don't have time to take up my dirty clothes them and wash. You don't have time to take up certain.
Hey God, when you are pressed to should have lick in your mouth.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Every day pot cook don't my muscle.
Me don't
Every day pot cook. Allah will always bless. Allah will always bless. And you don't talk with. And you know where you get your delusion on yourself from.
So, hold on. So, I see when the business of our sleep, so.
Yes. So, I'm comfortable in the
Drop a seat for me. So you're comfortable around every man. You're not gonna make no money with that business if that's the case.
No money.
Easy.
I'm charge everything.
Charge it. Look like a plug. Go charge it.
Oh, why the
You want
problem?
charge?
Why the
You're
problem?
current? Eh?
Why the problem?
Let me see what your problem. I money a problem. If you go sleep so that man they must take a fit eat that. He not gonna give you 1 million at all.
So if my grind, someone must tired.
Well, that's true still, but our business is a business. You have to get up fast and do what you do.
So we feel so one day. When them man, when I tell them to tap fast, they make them feel it please themselves.
Alright. Me just understand the word fullness. All I'm saying to you is that how much money you plan to give me out of the money what you plan to collect. I'm not going to start no work and finish here. I'm not going to finish the work and I get no pay. So if you know what you do from today.
But I'm not talking about that already. I'm not talking about that I get 1 million from the man. So I get the money, I split it half and half.
You sure say 1 million, say 100,000 because sometimes you don't see you can't read numbers in.
That's probably. Don't come on a dance.
No matter how card you dance is what it is for what it is. So
I say 1 million.
Alright, 1 million.
100,000 come can't see. When I'm lying, can't read. Anyways, why pray now?
This a prayer is money prayer. That is the prayer.
So you can't do now.
Now link up with brethren. Give me my money
I don't want this.
or show me face or something. So what you plan to do?
I'm showing you face. You see this?
That the money?
Yeah. You know him?
Let me see if it's like 2 pounds. But people look like a people, you know.
See there. Oh,
Let me put on my shirt now.
don't show it off for
Let
me.
me say don't show it for you.
Don't show it off for me.
So when you're ready for show, how you go?
You know the person? What the person be?
He look familiar, that's all me say.
Look familiar. What you mean look familiar?
Me say he look familiar, that's all me go. Say leave it right there, sir.
So you, the man look show it off for me and I'm not show it off for
And I'm tell you, when I see me today, no boss. Not because you give me like a ton, you know. You have to understand, so I'm still on a stress card. You don't give me no money. You give me money? Eh? I like
but
money.
you get something
Yeah, but
apart from the money.
Yeah, but after that come then what? Then what? What come next?
Well, what then? If I can't wait for the money come. Simple as that. Cause you stress me right now. I tell you, say you get the money. Then you go and you settle it for me. And this can never know what. You will come tell me shit on my ears.
Yeah, don't use shit for me. Don't use shit for me. You shit for anybody else, but don't shit for me.
So when you show time for me, no, I'm not moving.
Alright, so where you say you call me, we go link up with man hour, and then group straps, right?
Alright. When the right time come, I short up on the phone and tell us part to go. I'm just part of my way, isn't it? And they say, do you cry for this one?
Give me a timing. Come on, know say boy some had our next 2 hours or 5 hours, cause
Give me about to 6 o'clock.
Till 6 o'clock?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
6 o'clock they go link me.
Alright, remember say today a serious day, no joke business. See?
Yeah, I want to go back and sleep. I'm going to get up in my head.
Sleep well, yes sir. Come go down your yard. But sleep come take your time, come on.
Me get up myself. Don't tell me if you get up. You're tired and bright.
Why you want to sleep? Sleep well.
So why I can't sleep this so?
Take time go on now.
How are you asking me?
Take time go on. That's all that's it.
Now why your problem?
No my problem.
No, I'm not wanting.
Yeah, that was it. My phone's a place.
Yeah, your place frozen. Yeah.
Alright. We shall gather. We shall gather, yes?
We shall
Make
gather.
sure you call me. See if number me have, no change.
My number don't change neither.
You make a rough with me, nothing to me, a joke business. You lose me 35.
Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Yes, how are you doing? How is your day? You doing okay?
I just want to see you.
You want to see me? See me, man. See me. Because I'm the home I know at the moment I deal with something, you know.
But yeah, you get everybody come upstairs.
Look come home and you go. Look come home you go see me down at the mass. Just forward.
Play them, man. You can't deal with this thing here now.
But you can't deal with me overall. Me I stress you.
Yeah.
Judge God. Why sometimes I feel like me I stress myself too.
Alright, so next time I can get that thing.
What you say?
Thing man, thing man.
Oh. Check me down a mass now me we talk about that.
Alright, let's take a later then.
Alright.
Alright, now my home.
No business you want to do, you know, just check me look more.
Alright, so.
Yeah, manage the girl there, you know. Problem, you know, watch you know. Problem this and now too.
Who you do that on the phone? Come in, no woman voice in ear on the phone, and you can't tell me nothing. Who you do that on the phone?
Nobody the foolishness. Nobody
Me
the
not bother me
foolishness.
foolishness.
Yeah, cause watch ya. An important call me get. If you go down on mass.
So I call
If you
important.
go down on mass. I don't know. Yeah, I don't
So if I
know.
don't know mass, why you couldn't talk right there, so in front of me, you have to go out the door?
Because when me I go talk to on the phone, no, because remember you just accused me since they tell me say you're not too
Yeah, talk about salam alaikum.
like my religion, so not everything what you hear about my religion.
I don't let me go.
Don't worry.
Okay, me I go to church then. Me I come with you. Anyway, you go.
No, man.
Me I go.
No man.
Where me know?
A man alone I go link up with my brothers them.
Me stay outside until we finish inside.
Yeah man, it's chase style, you know.
Why so much man I go link up on our
Yeah, we have go pray.
Una pray about come back in and so me I can't see ya walk up from me. A dirty style that you know.
So me can't. Yeah, no, watch out.
Come in here so.
So me can't pull me so. You like your style.
Come in here so. Me I can't see ya walk up from me. No, laugh at this. Me feel serious. Me stop laughing there now.
Laugh, they say give out, they say smile a while and give a face or see how long of a face so far. How long of a face too much. My brothers. My brothers. No credit. I'm batch so done. No, some batch so done too. I'm not too know number in my head like that.
Let me see number.
So I see number for.
Let me see the number. You see, uno man,
Credit.
uno come from God land to take people, girl, put me for idiot, you know. If you feel so you take me for idiot, you make a sad mistake. You can't call the man.
You got him?
But you must say to me, say, if you go meet him, must don't have mola run, why must mola something like that? But I remember doing this one.
Don't have mass.
Yeah, don't have mass.
Don't have mass, that's true.
Yeah.
I tell you, I know I'm winning, but I never really want to say certain things, but...
So, not like that. You hide something from
I don't hide my head from me. I wonder what you do them Monday, because them Monday married.
When me married?
When is it married? I'm married now.
When me
I'm
married?
sick long and I'm something down right there. Some understand, I'm confused.
I'm confused to married.
So you're confused with money me talk about. So when you say about money?
Oh, don't get me. You said for calling him, so don't let me go.
So what you plan really and true?
I'm soon I'm gonna call a man. I'm gonna just text up on the phone and tell the XYZ. See me?
I know I'm gonna feel like I want to buy that one. Because you are going on my budget. Can't certain things. So what you have to do is just try to work out for your money and make it work for you. Yeah? You take time. Anything you need, man. Take time, go on.
But me don't plan this.
No, my budget, you can't do it. Sorry. Certain things can't work that way. So, do what you are doing, man. Tell yourself you don't do what you are doing. But you have to
know
cope
you have
out
two
that one.
side?
And a two side.
Yeah, two side. Because me have planned this from weeks. Monday, Tuesday,
What
Wednesday,
weeks?
Thursday. What am I talking, sorry? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I know today the Friday.
Next thing I'm going to hear that. Something wrong here? You want to sleep? You hungry? Or something?
Yeah, I'm
You
hungry.
belly hurt you?
I'm hungry.
Hmm?
I'm hungry.
You hungry?
Mm.
Well, you know, for you, just consider, say, I respect, I think you give me this mind. So. See?
You know, I get you back to just must say that.
Yeah, because just now, I'm only the one.
But I know money, I'm money work, you know.
Let me say money
I'm
work.
money work.
Do what you do and do it good. Make come on. I'm going to dinner, right? Yeah, what I'm saying.
Alaikum salam, my brother.
Oh, boy, you still going up to me, my brother?
Yes, my bro. Yes, my bro. No, change my
Nah,
father.
change the joke.
Yeah, man.
It's been a minute, though. It's been a long time, but you know, it's
About a while ago, brother, man, sister see me in a big argument, but mommy say, I don't even know my backside now, my youth.
So I'm still not accept you a certain way.
No, sir, but them good enough, my father. So I watch a man. Everybody have a choice of their own. And me choose when me choose. Nobody can choose me. You see me? So I just say go. Just say go. Just
So
say go.
why? Sometimes I wonder because I was invite me down to the church. Down at the church, that's true.
Mass.
I'm mass. Yeah, in there. But why it runs still?
Right now, tell you the truth.
Profitable.
Yes. And that. Holy. And watch a man. And like tourists flying. And so forth. Remember, you know, Dubai full up a Muslim, you know. America full up a Muslim, you know. The whole, right now, most I place them full up a Muslim. A Muslim a take over right now, my father. You see me? And watch a man, a whole heap of tourists fly down to come and film mass. And then left them local contribution more while every day. We cook a pot, make the kids then come eat food and people from outside come eat food. It's beneficial for me plus for others out there where you know up on the street starving certain way. So they have a meal if you can't get and we are trying our best to do it like every day. You see me?
I tell you right now.
So it's like we are get to give back. But it's like
But now I get money and I make money.
they hit me, I try to tell us so we are get to give back and we are make for ourselves too. And right now I pay me, I go pay some man for extend my mass for me. Cause me have to have a little private room like where you know so the VIP when people come from far can go to pray cause sometimes you know there are some people who come there just to pray for themselves, no want no disturbance, no want hear no noise, so that the room they're gonna do there for like for an individual person where when they don't want hear nobody but themselves or probably they don't want hear nobody but they want I don't even know if you call it, you know, my
I
friend.
say you go, but alright, I share a vibe still. You know one girl named Pinky?
Pinky. And what wrong with her?
She
How
has
make
said
you
she,
ask me still?
no, she has said she know you know, and thing. But me I wonder if, cause last time I check it, you went kind of sick a certain way.
Yes.
And so forth. So what kind of business you have Pinky in really and true because, you know, all my things here is a street youth. And all them
Tell
something.
you the truth though, my brother.
Mm.
As a Muslim, they can have many wives. Yeah, man.
So for your woman know about this?
Me ask you something now. Me and you
Yeah, brother man.
yeah, me woman awa.
Nothing.
So what you ask me about my woman for?
That's true still. Alright, no
Anything you talk to me about, you talk to me about myself. Not talk to me about no woman cause she a fight against my religion too. Yeah man, me I try to tell you. Cause they know what a religion mean and what it can do. Cause you can have many wives, you know my friend. One says a Muslim, you know my brother. That's why more you come in and come take part of it. You can have many wives.
Money me want.
Once me tell you say money I go make, my brother.
Money me
Money
want.
I go make.
No, me hear me say money me want. So basically, I say me can.
You can book one of the nice rich girl that will fly in. Come my mass, you can book one of them and chat to them. Can be a rich girl come there, you know. As me I tell you.
Listen me I say man, me no yo.
You can't marry more than one rich girl. I'm telling my friend.
Listen me I say man, me say. And money me want, so you say me can join the mass then. And you know like me just control certain things where you put me on payroll so me can collect. What you say? I can go on or no?
Right now, tell you the truth though, my friend. You don't feel like more you want your father I must, you know.
What do you mean by that?
Cause me there in meds too, you know. I hear talk about payroll. My friend, me say you want to try hustle for yourself. You know, for me not to put up on payroll.
What do you mean say hustle for myself? What you talk about? So if you come in and when you collect half, me collect one different half for myself, what that about?
No. Anything you collect you can't come give me. I'm give you one little sitting out of it.
Alright, big up yourself, man. See? Come realize say you take me for idiot.
I'm going to take you.
I tell you that. Yo, brother, this morning I put 3,000 upon 35 because I get the rate. I know 35 hours. Goat. I know goat hour. But me I set here say, me lose my money now and then you come tell me say, me if you come to so I'm to invest my time in hour. Basically I try to tell me say, me not to make my money certain way. You know what I mean? But everything good still. Bless myself, man. Bless myself. You know what I mean? It is what it is, right? All the best in the mass.
You go and take your time and go on, you know. Because I feel like saying I will reach out for me too, you know. I'm not rich yet, you know. I have to reach first, then you can reach after. Go on. Because I know where you want to have my mass, you know.
Everything good, man.
Yeah, man, I know where you want to have my mass.
I know I say corrupt long time, but
Yeah, man. Yeah, you know, you didn't know a long time, and you're going like you just know. Go on, man.
I just confirm, I confirm.
No, you're not to confirm me. Watch out, man. A long time that confirm, you know. You're not to confirm me. You should have know that me and your friend for years. You should have know that. Go on, man. Go up on the care. Go up on the care.
No, hold on. Marika. Yes. So all along me I call you so you shot yeah.
Because we don't know what call me and
So you don't know my voice.
I'm surprised to see you at my yard. But
Then
you're
yes, can I
welcome
enter?
in.
You're too light. Sit down without ask now. So can I
I
sit?
can stand up and talk.
It's the same thing. What I look at in the ask, cause we like she you know. Anyways.
So we'll come here for now.
And my brother really come here to contact you.
Yeah, who?
My brother.
Sit down.
So all of a sudden we can sit down now.
You want the offer or you don't want the offer? Okay.
Anyways, as I was saying.
Uh-huh.
I come here to talk to you about me for that. Well, I really remember that I'm down here now. Come here, you come down here.
Yo!
My mama. She was just asking how I just put in my own words because I can't really remember everything she said. She just asked how you manage my brother, your son, how you manage it with change your religion. Because she can't really get him right now.
Well, to be honest, at first when we first meet Barbie, everything ended as a God. All of a sudden, Barbie changed and I talk about mask and I talk about Allah. Well, we serve one God. At one point, me did follow him going to church and something like. Remember saying my husband, because we married. Like, me did try to understand him and like, you know, in your marriage sometimes you just have to do things to please your partner or whatever, but when I really look into that thing, me am not that part of religious person. I am a revivalist. So you see that other business the way brother you know? Me not agree to it none at all. Even this morning me am a cuss about it. Because me not understand why he change from a 7-day Adventist to a Allah. Me not understand. And it don't make no sense to me. So me the year I wonder how to change Bobby and he can't change. So anything your mother have in her head, tell her to take you up because Bobby is a stubborn man. And he not change from the Allah business where he say in. So I'm sorry for him.
And so many in the truck. When you really cussing can when you cussing. But the way how him attack me, why if the brother gone. He not treat me like a sister. He treat me like this old friend way. He meet like 1 month ago.
Once I agree with Bobby with what he is doing, go cut it off. That's him right now. And because he love me, make throw me out of the house. But me soon left here so can pack up my things and left because what I do and what I say now make no sense to me.
It makes
So
sense
I left
about
life.
Because for him, religion, me not get it. In religion, me not get it. Me confused.
So that time mother son up on me that we can talk about? Huh?
Yeah.
Well, go back to your mother yard and tell her, say, she never liked me from day one, so she not send no message come to me and come give me. You understand? I remember saying me and Bobby start talking what I did against it. If Bobby never stick out, me and Bobby would have married. You understand? Some don't know where you come to my yard for come tell me all of this a situation that I know.
It's when you see my mother, you tell my mother that.
No!
I am not going to be a news carrier right now. Me on the
But you are!
Me
You
only
are
come
because
right
you're
here,
growing on
so
a carry message just you. We don't catch a look dirty ass palm my baby first
me
thing you say your
come
mother
right
send it up
here,
here.
so because I'm a
So
mother.
bring back the message to
If
your
I never
mother.
my mother would there, so I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for my mother. Coming like nobody.
Me first never like coming with some name
No.
like me from my
Yes, me face. Nobody. Me not cap. I don't
No.
like a soul.
I don't like no.
Not
I don't
even my
like
own mother.
no born in no family.
Anyways, me
All
come
the
out
brother
here,
me
please.
start
That
here
best
now.
believe. Me not
Where
care
about
no message.
one?
Me not care no message. You drop the message to yourself.
You bring the message come up your news.
Me bring it.
You still a carry news your mother all these
Me
years.
say me bring it
And
because I'm a
used to
mother.
hide and the things
I
that
bring
you used to
it
carry news
because
from your woman. And
She's
you
my
still a
mom.
You still
You
a
get
carry
it fine.
news.
I'm out of
Get
here.
on the house.
When you go fix up your house, you're playing your Christian.
Yeah. Karika. Yeah, bro. I'm selling a shop there. I'm gonna lock up. When you see me to walk to beef bar, how good I'm gonna see you know? Eh?
Yeah.
Been such a good long while. Touch with the man. Jesus. You know, say. I forgive your bridge in a car.
Who that? My husband?
Husband, yeah. You know, go have no reason with them certain way. And, you know what I mean? So the church and so forth. I go and go.
Well, the church are going good, although you know, so that I'm not my religion.
Religion.
Yeah, you know, so I'm a revivalist.
Exactly.
But because I'm your husband, I'm married to him, so I just have to go and
Go and do
support
it.
him. And
But
do something.
how you do it though? Because you know, say he must say, God, you know, he must say Allah. You know, he must say certain things where you know really match up to the real Christian pathway and so forth. Why? You
Yeah.
love him badly then, man? Or just
But if you tell you the truth, like, me do it, and then when I go home, me am cuss every day
Every
about
day.
it. And me I say, you know what, so me know worship there sitting there, God me say, you know,
In
and
the
then look
beginning,
sitting there.
God created
the heaven and the earth. And
Jesus and pity must. Girl, let me tell you something, man. You see, at the end of the day, me not tell you say you're not happy and so forth, but Believe me. A long time I rate, you know, I'm not getting a certain vibes and certain things, but it couldn't be a thing where, you know, like, I rate your spirit, I rate your Christian energy where you bring today. The fourth. Yeah.
Yeah.
But, you know, as I say, I'm not tell you say you make a bad choice, you know, but because him change. Change him change. It's not say I saw him and see.
Yeah.
But we don't know what change him, like lightning strike him or something, you know.
I don't know, like, all of a sudden this man want having own church, bro, mosque, and worship Allah. But me go to church, you know, but me still go for my church when me ready.
Oh, you go for your church still?
Yes, me go to my church, like,
That's smart,
me just
when him
support
come with
him.
you?
No, him not come to my church, you know, but me still support him. But you see, because I don't want the argument, I more have a good relationship with my husband. Me just say no, me just go with him. If he don't want to come with me, I film business, but me know who me I serve. But if you know what I'm saying, have a wife, me have to support him right through. Even when people they know they on film side.
Film people, you know, the film side still?
No.
Come here, boy, I don't know.
You know, so they don't like me neither.
They not like, so what you do this up, girl? What you do for the side of the world? Like?
I don't know.
Sometimes we wonder, yo, you see, love separate from, you know, what is to be, separate from, you know, what is meant, who is meant to be together. It's a crazy world, I tell you. But at the end of the day, you look nice though, and I really appreciate the fact that you ever remember me. You know what I mean? Because we went to it shorter than time, you know? And so forth. What you mean, man?
You feel nice.
Oh, God, I tell you. Because you know, you see me, when I tell you something, I go to church every day, but my plan for really get back, you know, to the fourth, to the, what's the word I'm using? To the foretaste of the, what's the word I'm looking for? You know, where your heart was, you know, like, you know, where it start and, you know, I don't say you have to go back to the roots. The roots is from self. You understand what I say?
Just like God.
Yeah, that is it. Jesus, you know.
There's one God.
One God. That's it. God is
But
real.
then, you're not in a foolishness about along them.
Me, I wouldn't do that. You know what I mean? I wouldn't do that. As I say, sometimes between me, I want to have a business model for him. Like, you know, business. Well, I'm just saying.
Well, things say, no, you just, I feel believe that. And if I just business, you just say to me, even though I make good money out this thing.
Eh? You make good money then? Okay.
So much good money, man. Like, remember, so tourists come from foreign just to go and film place, see what go on.
I'm my only one in this side of that kind of master.
Yes, so people come and give money as well. And you know, people still dropping their offering pants, you know, so you get double portion everything.
It's nice seeing you. I'm not lying. I'm not this kind of person to do them something if you know, talk to a man, woman, or whatever the case may be. But you know, look happy. You know, look happy. You know, that day. Anytime we talk about him, you just look one way and thing, and no way and reason. You see a natural sunshine, smiling face on your face and so forth. So, you know, but you know, maybe link up sometime, you know, have a drink or, you know. I'm just have a drink, fruit punch, you know, of course. You know what I mean?
I think my husband go agree with that.
No, I'm not agreeing, but I'm just saying, just, you know, a virgin, you know, if one day you got a supermarket, you can call them, you know, but at the same time, let's have a church conversation about the gospel. You understand? Check the number. You know, because sometimes it's good, you know. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth, you know. Yeah.
I'm not going to talk about God's stories. What's your name again?
Save it as Benji.
Benji.
I public and call me that shit, but me have to give me a real name. Benji. Alright?
Alright, Benji. That is it?
That is it.
Alright, Benji. So have a wonderful day. Yeah, big up yourself.
Yo, even if you get a little, jeez, you see that feel nice? Feel good for, you know, have, you know, people who believe in faith and so forth. You know what I mean? Looking forward, you know what I mean? Hopefully, you know, we can have one, you know, like discussion. Bible discussion is very good.
Yeah,
you know
and I hope you come to church with me on Sunday.
Field church, not field.
No, my church. I'm not talking about film church. Film church,
I support.
I don't know me a good for, but I just because I'm my husband, I support you.
Support you, boy. Alright, cool. So what am I going to do now? Where's the Master John shop lock?
Illa.
Illa.
So it don't really make no sense of going there.
Alright. You know, a long time I hear from him, so now you want one and things. So big up yourself, yeah? A nice seeing you again, and I look forward to a call, yeah?
Yeah, man, me call them, man. No, yes,
Just come, yeah? Alright.
Open up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me
yeah, come on, me answer.
No, the thing is this.
I'll tell you anything tonight.
No, listen, my son, man. Hey, look like I sleep.
I see, man, I sleep.
But what?
Some more I got the room before what the lock.
Business, man, because I don't want the business with you.
Not no concern at all.
Yeah, man. You see what you talking about which day then you say rope straps. You think we should do it, you know what I mean? Because I guess I know, I don't want to stop your food. I don't want to stop the opportunity for me make a food.
Hold on, you must be.
No. So,
What you say?
me say, me don't want to stop the opportunity for me make food and you miss your food.
So I find in your head.
Not for them head, man. It's just a fact.
No, man. Something find in your head because it must see you tell me it's you know.
Say what?
You're only my good friend, you know.
No, I say I know the person, the figure in anything at all.
Oh, I get the drift now, man. But I say, where I'm a fool, boy.
You want to call him and say and talk to him.
Yeah.
So make the plans and make we can, you know.
Right
link
now,
up.
I'm see time. Yeah, I thought that place me I go stay.
Right now? I just say I go?
Yeah.
So I can never tell you to say I go, girl.
Because what am I going to tell you that?
Hmm?
What am I going to tell you that you don't change your mind?
So if me never catch you, I say I'm going by myself and deal with what I deal with.
Yeah, and get my phone.
Eh?
Yeah. And get my phone.
Alright, so I'll just say I give you more time. Alright, no man, tell you something. I'm desperate right now.
You're desperate.
Yeah, I'm desperate right
So
now.
we get the money, must put it in half. You don't
No.
go half. And 1 million now.
I'll make sure say I see I hear now.
How will you look when I'm back at me head for?
You're going to carry it too. You understand? You hear me?
Yeah, me I hear
I'm
you.
going to act like you're a fool. See?
I might act like fool, but I'm not like fool around them things. I'm used to them things.
Alright.
I'm around them every day.
I'll make sure say I know me and set up. Make sure say nobody covered out as we go along in that situation.
I don't like you that.
Me
I
no say-
like my boy yesterday. I like my boy last night. And me I go through this, you know. Me I go through this long before you come in.
I wonder even if you answer if you look like a fool, if you look like an idiot, if you ban
Well, if you want, answer your business back, but if you don't answer, just like your mouth. Simple as that.
Alright, so it's ready?
Yeah. No, let me go first. Let me go down there and me call you and tell you when to come. I
Something
go
with us.
before me. Yeah, if you want to wait or so, the back door open. If you want to go in the house, you go on in. But me call you, me go down there.
The last time I go in your house, you know, I smell the house like you know, empty your garbage. But go on still. Go on,
I said the room smell too.
over room.
Yeah.
Are you smell up your so make it smell so?
So yeah, Chet. You
I
know
don't
what?
say nothing bad.
Me like no argument with you, you know, cause me I can't agree, you know. Me I can't agree. Me can't take it
Yeah,
full.
because you love time to eat that thing. You use me in your feet.
But you not use me too.
Is that everything? Go on, man.
Talk about my business.
You ready? General!
Oh man, public.
Oh, yeah, me there.
How long?
Yeah, easy, bro. You know what thing go?
Well,
come for work?
Yeah, me work. Me just a come on for man, you know.
That's all.
Today I'm gonna come first. Go and cool the mind from going.
No, bro. You know, so I'll tell you something I want to get back on some work in the hotel industry, cause bro, I tell you, nothing really going on certain way.
Alright, thing I pray, man. You know, we have to make it in a car. If we don't do it, we will go do it.
At some point, actually, I will talk. You are going, brother, you know, say, enough things are going at a different level, but you remember when you with them name Bulby? Wow.
Yeah, man.
But you know, say, a boy changed from Christianity and gone to what? What you call it now? Allah business, man turn Muslim and same of a Muslim church and
Allah.
yeah, a boy make some serious money me here, I'm not sure. Yes. And he say, well, and wife I tell me say I make some serious money and thing.
Serious with your wife?
Yeah man, my wife and virgin but differently speaking, brother. Me tell say, me I talk to you man today. And you man talk, you know, one way like she unhappy with the man. I mean, you know, it's like me a reason that I'm feel, you know, it's like me like the woman. And that's something I'm really doing, brother. You have something I said, but it's just a vibe. Say, yo, I just feel comfortable with the woman and thing. And I mean, I said to myself, say, boy, but I don't want to look like I'm on beat still, you know.
No, sir, you don't look like I know. And she look like she into you too.
Yeah.
So I said, public cannot try a thing, man. I nah say you have to do it wrong every time, you know, but you see something, you go feed. All you have to do, no make bulbis here, you know. Because you see when gone in now, Muslim. Muslim, man, serious.
That's true. Me about them for sure. But it's still a Jamaican.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, still, you know, but at the end of the day, still, yo, really and truly, I don't know pass on, but I don't want to look like I'm on base. But yo, bro, my tactic, I just feel like a female.
You like a hero,
I feel like
man.
a female when I reason with it. I say to myself, say, boy, I don't want, yo, I don't know.
Yeah, where I say, yo, watch not just take a little time, not to rush things. And if you ever see Bulby, just make it look like, say, church business they talk about.
Church, that's true.
You see me?
I will talk.
Enough man fall in the system, you know. Yeah, man.
I will talk.
Last week, we won't bar ratty, man.
Yeah.
Professional, brother. You know my thing come down already, man. But yeah, just look out of your eye.
But me say ratty, you hang yourself to beef, man, bro. Yeah, you hear up on the news which day.
Actually, catch Max with you, man.
Max,
Yeah,
catch?
man, Max. I remember say ratty woman I had to watch.
Yeah,
man.
red skin, brown skin,
Man.
rough. Brother, some money I try to pay right now, because brother, I try gambling thing in a workout, and I say, you know what, I go and say, I can go the legal way. But, you know, let me say the boy Bulby, he might make a money, he might shout him and say, I can make a one link and see what I
So you're going to beg him?
No, it's that, man, see if there's a way I can actually, you know, work at a church, if, you know.
Man make a turn Muslim thing, you know. And if you turn Muslim, you have to go get rid of that goal, you know. You have to go get rid of your lock.
Rough.
You see me?
That's true. Can't cover it up, man. I go. But at the end of the day, still, brother, good for see you, know.
I mean,
thing.
public
Go and
every
do your thing,
time,
man.
you know.
Yeah, man. And I'd me say, if that don't work out, might have to come link you up and, you know.
Make you get a
I
word.
work like hotel. Put
Yeah,
your word
man.
for me.
I mean,
See?
man, alright way, man. Just big
Alright.
up yourself.
Yeah, man. Respect, brother. We shall
Remember, you know, try your thing, you know.
Man, try, man. For real.
Don't get catch.
Alright.
Alright, me want brother like me first, man. Come get it. Take off them things, man.
So what we don't know before about
What's that again, young miss?
the thing, man,
Which thing?
the money.
So, let me ask you a question. Why are you just like this in the eyes of Allah?
Me just anyhow me want just
No,
I
I
don't.
don't.
I have and whatever they want come to my money, me come both.
Oh,
Oh.
there's a lot of money here, man. No worry yourself. Just
One.
come over in the mosque and let we talk a little bit more and get, you know what I'm talking about.
So, what I let before me go on?
Sorry.
So if you lead to something, I go get more money pan you look 1 million where you have to give me.
What you talking about? I don't understand you.
Alright, I'll put it away then.
Yes.
Remember say no, you will see me, you know. You see me, you see me like me, yeah. Right? And so I'm not going in no relationship or nothing with you. So alright, boops, you come up with money part. And I say, yeah, if I say money, I'm buying him that.
Oh, yes, but remember me don't tell you so I don't want a relationship and I see as a little nice girl and I say, I don't try if you invest in a certain way and stuff
Well,
like that thing.
today I didn't give you invest the money,
Yeah,
I get
but-
more money.
But what you know, remember, all of the money that I made have to go in my banks, and all I know, I have all of my assets in Allah's name because He's the creator of all foundation.
Alright,
and-
cut the story short. Well, how am I gonna get my money? How much are you right now?
Come, let me go back.
Yo. Here what man. See? Me know say you're fake. See? You're pinky. Search it. Search myself now. I'm money me come find out. Over here says everything. Not true? You laugh, you think a joke? Huh?
That I have to be joke because you're my friend and I don't
Which
know
friend?
what you're talking
Which
about.
friend? Yeah, this other business, that is Muslim business like you're mad man. You're junkie. You're junkie? I'm money we want.
Money we want.
Oh, so come.
My friend.
You
You don't really like this, my friend.
Come in.
My friend, you're really
Lock the door there.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Yeah. Yes, Lord. Your name. Yeah. I have some friends, they don't believe in Jesus. They say they don't trust the color of his skin. I say the skin don't determine the anointing. Oh, it's the blood that flows from Calvary. Oh, it's the blood. It's the blood that flows from Calvary. Oh, there is power in the blood. There is power in the blood. The blood that flows from Calvary. Some of my friends, they don't believe in Jesus, but I know him to be my closest friend. Yeah, even though I can't see him, I feel his presence near me. I know his blood can wash away my sin. Oh, it's the blood. It's the power of his blood that flows from Calvary. Oh, it's the blood. There is power in the blood. The blood that flows from Calvary. Yeah. The flesh will surely fail ya. Your faith don't depend on the color of skin. Only the blood can determine who your father is. Only thing can cover your family. Only thing that can cover you is the blood that flows from Calvary. Yeah. I have some friends they don't believe in Jesus just because of his skin. The skin don't determine the anointing. The blood of Jesus. The blood of Jesus. The blood. Yes, Lord. If you wanna make it, only the blood can set you free. Yes. Only the blood that flows from Calvary.